A pretty decent start to the new month. In fact, it's going to be fairly mild out today. Now, we are starting to see a clearing sky, so temperatures have dropped into the 30s for central Iowa, upper 20s up north, where we have that clear sky. Definitely a chilly start to the day, and where the cloud cover is lower 40s right now. So again, you are going to start to see clouds decreasing here from northwest to southeast. Most of us again are going to stay dry out of this in the cloud cover. Ottumwa to Lamoni, again, you'll see some gradual clearing. It's just going to take a little bit of time. Now, farther northwest, you should have a very nice sunrise. Des Moines, we're kind of right on that cusp with the cloud cover right now. Some more of a partly cloudy sky. All the precipitation has generally pushed toward the southeast, but if you look up to the northwest, clouds are increasing, and that's going to be the next system that will arrive this evening in the overnight hours that could bring us some light rainfall. So today will be dry. If you have plans outdoors, maybe cleaning the gutters or just doing some yard work, putting up the Christmas lights. Several people have already started to do that, getting a head start. Today is going to be a good day to do any of that because it is going to be a mild and dry afternoon. So going through time, again, most of us stay dry. Notice how the clouds start to increase their late afternoon to the northwest. That's going to be the trend overnight tonight. The rainfall that will arrive overnight into tomorrow morning will be light. Some areas will stay dry out of this. There's just not a lot of moisture with this system that's going to swing through tomorrow. So chance of a few light showers will remain through Friday late afternoon, early evening. Then I think we get a bit of a break from it tomorrow night, the overnight hours, before we see more showers arriving on Saturday and then again on Sunday. Now again, most areas we'll have light amounts out of this. Some areas will remain dry. I'd say probably about 1/4 of an inch or less through Saturday morning, and then the system coming in Saturday evening into Sunday will bring more light scattered showers. Again, not a heavy rain event through the weekend. So again, dry day today. It'll be brighter out there and warmer. Tomorrow, mid-50s. Rain chances continue Saturday, Sunday, and on Monday. It'll come to an end on Tuesday, but much cooler air arrives during the midweek next week with those highs in the 40s. Right.